Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely superb, very rare Ford Focus 1.8 EcoBoost sports estate. It is in fantastic condition, absolutely gleaming red. It's the ST line, top of the range, privacy glass. Drives absolutely superb. Great service history. Huge boot area, all in lovely condition. Got the ST special interior with the red stitch piping, electric windows and mirrors. Start the car up. It's only done 53,176 miles. Sounds absolutely beautiful. It's got a multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, sync, air conditioning, USB, centre armrest here. Full screen satellite navigation. Absolutely lovely condition. Just wait for the map to load up for you. So we've got your apps, it's got DAB, full screen map. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.